Step by step on how to build business credit. Establishing business credit is essential to your company's expansion and financial stability. Having excellent credit for your company can help you get funding, bargain for better terms from suppliers, and build a solid financial reputation. Here are a few efficient strategies for enhancing and expanding your business credit. Incorporate your company. To keep your personal and business finances apart, create a legitimate business entity, such as an LLC or corporation. By doing this, you may safeguard your personal assets and give your company a unique credit profile. To acquire an employer identification number, EIN, submit an application to the IRS. When doing business-related transactions, this special identification number serves as a substitute for your Social Security number and establishes your company as an independent organization. Open a bank account for your business. To handle your business finances independently of your personal affairs, open a special bank account. This aids in establishing your company's financial performance history. Obtain a DUNS number. Business Credit Bureau Dun & Bradstreet can provide you with a DUNS number. This figure is widely used by suppliers and lenders to evaluate a company's creditworthiness. Develop trade credit. Collaborate with merchants and suppliers who provide business credit bureaus with information about your payment history. As long as you pay your bills on time for goods and services, this can help you establish a strong credit history. Apply for a company credit card. Be sure to pay your bills on time and with responsible use of your company credit card. This can build a credit history for your company and have a good effect on your credit score. Keep an eye on and update your credit report. Check for errors or inconsistencies on a regular basis in your business credit report. To guarantee proper reporting, challenge any inaccuracies you discover with the credit bureau. Pay your bills on time. Establishing good credit requires paying your debts and other commitments on time. Your credit score may be negatively impacted by late payments. Save small credit loans or credit lines. Start with modest credit lines or loans that you can easily pay back. This will support the argument that your company can manage credit responsibly. Create a positive financial history by managing your money with stability and reliability. Creditors and lenders want to see evidence of a continuous history of sound financial management. Establish a business credit profile. Make sure that Equifax, Experian, and Dun & Bradstreet, as well as other important business credit bureaus, have listings for your company. This makes you more creditworthy in the eyes of prospective lenders and partners. Build a positive relationship with your bank. If you and your business bank get along well, the bank might be more inclined to give you credit. Maintain the integrity of your accounts and stay in constant contact with your bank. Keep in mind that establishing company credit requires time, so persistence and patience are key. To find areas for development, analyze and evaluate your company credit profile on a regular basis. Check out most people's favorite YouTube channel to watch the full video. Make sure to subscribe.